Google has recently made a major statement, and it may be poised to do something completely out of the ordinary for Shiba Inu. Furthermore, Gemini, Google's artificial intelligence software, has just predicted what the future holds for Shiba Inu, and I promise you it will shock you. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own SHIB tokens. So what's the most recent update on the Shiba Inu coin? Who or what is the latest on Google and Shiba Inu? The question then becomes, how does this impact the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inu. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. 1 million Shiba tokens are up for grabs every day on this channel, which brings us up to speed. Simply becoming a subscriber, like the video, and commenting with the hashtag Shiba Inu will get you entered. Wishing you the best of luck. You can see the video linked in the description and pinned comment to see that we will be relocating the SHIB news to a second channel soon. Make sure to subscribe to that channel with notifications on to stay updated, but first let's check out the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on March 15th before we get into our issue, shall we? The current price of a Shiba Inu is approximately 2,923 units. There was $2.6 billion worth of transactions in SHIB in the last 24 hours, resulting in a 9% drop in price. Also, with a market cap of more than $17 billion, the token is presently the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency. This video does not constitute financial advice, and the prices shown may have changed by the time you view it. Additionally, feel free to visit our brand new official Telegram channel by clicking the link in the description. We have been receiving a lot of positive comments on the group, and we dropped some pretty amazing free stuff in there. Alright, then I'll begin today's video. The decline of the cryptocurrency market. The most important reasons why cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and SHIB collapsed today. On Friday, the cryptocurrency market took a nosedive, sending the total value of all cryptocurrencies down to $2.55 trillion, a loss of over 7%. The value of a number of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Cardano, dropped by more than 7%. Prices of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin both fell 12% as investors booked profits, despite the current enthusiasm for the meme coin. In the wake of Bitcoin's halving, traders and experts anticipated a much-needed surrender which would allow the market to continue rallying, reasons why Bitcoin and altcoins collapsed. The options expire on Friday. The market experienced a decline on Friday, March 15th, due to the expiration of more than $3 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options. When options expire, the cryptocurrency market is known to see extremely volatile prices. Notably, 30,568 Bitcoin options of a notional value $2.09 billion are slated to expire today. Options traders can book profits while staying positive with a put-call ratio of 0.79 and a max paying point of $66,000. Even if it hit a low of $66,770, the price of Bitcoin is still greater than that of max pain. Nevertheless, the buy the dip chance will cause Bitcoin to recover. Hopes for a rate cut by the Fed are fading. In his testimony before Congress, U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell made it plain that the timing of future rate cuts will be heavily dependent on fresh economic data, particularly that pertaining to inflation and employment. Boost to consumer pricing index CPI, retail sales, and the jobless rate follow hotter CPI data from earlier in the week, suggesting that the U.S. economy is resilient and experiencing greater inflation. More justification for the Fed to put off rate cuts until late in the year resulted from this. March and May are prime months for a rate freeze by the Federal Reserve. Liquidity flush caused cryptocurrency holdings to be liquidated. In the most recent liquidations, the cryptocurrency market lost more than $680 billion in value due to a lack of liquidity. Over 192,000 traders liquidated in the last 24 hours, with Tether placing the highest single liquidation order, according to CoinLast data. These factors have all contributed to the recent crypto market crash, but I predict these dips will be bought very fast and the market will return quickly. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. Your support means the world to me. You can support the channel without spending a dime, but stay tuned for more Shiba Inu news and updates, as well as predictions for the future of the Shiba Inu coin. SHIB's 13% unexpected decline, what gives? Key reasons why are revealed by on-chain data. Shiba Inu's price went up and down recently, typical of the wildly unpredictable cryptocurrency market. The value of the cryptocurrency with a canine motif fell by 13% during today's trading session. Coinciding with this sharp loss is a broader trend in the cryptocurrency market, which saw Bitcoin drop to $65,565 before bouncing back to almost $67,700. The on-chain data seems to give a hint as to the main cause of the Shiba Inu price reduction. However, there may have been other variables as well. Data stored on the blockchain provides a more in-depth analysis of SHIB transactions and may provide light on the factors that caused the price change. The market is affected by large-scale transactions, which are sometimes called whale activities. According to data collected by Into the Block, the number of these transactions has been steadily declining since March 5th, and it fell by 5.43% in the past day alone. Similarly, Into the Block's indication of the holding duration of transacted coins might reveal important market mood and investor confidence. An increase in the volume of coin trades may indicate that investors are looking only at the short term. Retail dealers likely had shorter average holding durations for coins bought during bull runs. There was speculation in the market as the average time held of transacted coins dropped to 4 weeks on March 13th and 2 months on March 14th. The amount of coins traded was 2.12 trillion SHIB. Speculative traders typically focus on short-term market trends and mood rather than an asset's fundamentals when making trading decisions. The third largest percentage decline for Shiba Inu seems to be in line with this pattern. These investors frequently place impulsive buy and sell orders, riding the wave of popularity of cryptocurrencies to potentially cause price fluctuations. The meat of today's video is about to begin. Shiba Inu gets accepted by Google Cloud via Coinbase. Google Cloud customers will now be able to pay for services using Bitcoin thanks to a partnership between Google and Coinbase, a commerce technology company. Shiba Inu and other prominent cryptos are part of this. Thus, Shiba Inu, the well-liked cryptocurrency with a canine theme, may get the boost it needs to resume its winning ways. Google Cloud is now available through Coinbase. To start, Coinbase Commerce, a platform for businesses to accept and convert cryptocurrency payments, will be key in making the agreement a reality. The price of a Shiba Inu will be established by Google Gemini in December 2024. As the second largest meme coin, the future of Shiba Inu's value is still up for grabs. Following its most recent enormous jump of 250%, the majority of analysts anticipate that SHIB will maintain its bullish trend. We sought out December 2024 SHIB projections from Google's massive language model Gemini to gain a fresh viewpoint. Forecasts from Google Gemini in 2024, SHIB could take one of 3 paths, says Gemini. The chatbot's prediction of a substantial price gain for SHIB in the first scenario shows a positive perspective. With a projected increase of more than 410% from its present price, Gemini believes SHIB will hit 0.0002. This goal is near to another analyst's target, who recently forecasted an 822% increase. A more muted market prognosis for SHIB is presented in the second scenario. According to Gemini, SHIB is projected to rise steadily and reach 0.0001 by the end of 2024. This is an increase of around 155% from the price of SHIB at the moment. The third possible outcome shows that SHIB's market value will fall. Even under these conditions, Gemini foresees a price rise, albeit a smaller one. The chatbot, driven by artificial intelligence, predicts that SHIB will reach 0.0005 by December 2024, which would be a 27% increase from its current price. Are these goals within Shiba's reach in the new? Please keep in mind that these are only projections and that the real SHIB price in December 2024 may be different from these estimates. There are a lot of moving parts in the Bitcoin market, which makes price changes possible. Many factors come into play here, such as shifts in regulation, general market sentiment, the rate of adoption by large institutions, Bitcoin's overall success, and much more. The rising token burning and the rise of Shibarium, its layer 2 blockchain, are two big advantages